Hi, good morning and welcome to another adventure from AdvenTrisMoto. Today we're doing the first leg of our trip to Holland, where we're going to be going through to Switzerland. So we just stopped for a quick stop at this beautiful castle you see behind us, heading over Fern Pass, and then we're going to be going over continue on our trip up to Switzerland.
Hold on, sugar, why you look so sad? Come on now, mama, ain't nothing here so bad. You got fast cars, movie stars.
Hey guys, it helps the channel if you could hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification for up and coming content.
Throw some dice, you can take off now. Don't think twice, but hey, don't you wanna play? Baby, go on.
Hey, that was a bit more fun. So we're standing in the middle of the river, just testing my waterproof boots. Wouldn't this be a great camping spot? I mean, look at it. What the fuck? Look at that bridge. Oh my dear God. I think this is what adventure is all about. Get on your bike and you go to a new place that you haven't been before, and you just see all these new mountain passes. You are through the villages, and I think this is what adventure is, you know, seeing new places, seeing new things. And when you get onto a motorbike, those scenes just get so much better, because I think you can appreciate it more. When I get in my car and I go through the mountains, it's great. When I get on a motorbike, it just transforms into a new world. I mean, look at this nature. Look at this countryside. That's why I love motorbikes. And I love getting out on my bike. Look at that. Now that is a view. Wow. Oh! Oh, this is amazing, guys. This is amazing. Wow. I'm blown away. Come on, Vorarlberg. This is unbelievable. Guys, I'm really honored to bring you this scenery from Vorarlberg. I really hope the camera justifies what I'm seeing and what you're watching. Oh, look at that. Reminds me of this road I went in Croatia, and it is literally hanging off the edge in midair, just like that, but it's a 360-degree bridge. Hey guys, it helps the channel if you could hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification for up and coming content.
Are you thinking about me tonight?
We've just arrived in Bregenz. We've just left Bregenz and we're heading into St. Margrethen. We're going to be camping in Switzerland tonight. I'm quite amazed, you know, when you go to different countries and you see all the different architecture. There's a better view of the lake.
A mental picture in my mind just to keep this moment till the end of time.
So we're about to arrive at Camping Rudebaum. Ik wil camping heute Abend. Ja, das passt, oder? Ja, is dat, ja. Oh, okay. Okay, passt. Danke dir. So I've just unloaded the bike, set up the tent, get organized for the evening. Thanks for watching today and see you in the next episode.